So here are some questions for you to think about. What kind of correlation might show up on a scatter plot for the data for each scenario? Is it likely to be a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no linear correlation? Number 1, the number of cigarettes smoked per day and the probability of lung cancer. I'm pretty sure we all know that cigarette smoking is a cause of lung cancer. And so the more cigarettes you smoke, the more likely you are to have lung cancer, to develop lung cancer. And so if you have something like this, if you smoke no cigarettes, your probability of cancer is going to be pretty low for lung cancer. And as you smoke more and more cigarettes, the probability for lung cancer is going to be higher. And then you kind of expect to see some people in between all along like that. So that looks like this would be number of cigarettes and then cancer risk. Okay, so as the number of cigarettes increases, the probability of cancer also increases. So this is likely to be a positive correlation. Try the next one. The number of minutes spent on social media by college students and their first semester grades. So, number of minutes here, and then the grades here. And so we expect maybe that if someone doesn't spend any time on social media, they would have lots of time for studying. And so their grades would be pretty high. And we kind of expect that if you spend all your time on social media, that might make your grades drop. And then there's probably data points all the way in between. And so that looks like a negative correlation, because as I go from right to left, my grades are going down, or my variable 1 is going down. So that looks like a negative correlation. Here's another one. The amount of credit card debt incurred by college freshmen and their IQ scores. So we're thinking about debt and IQ. And if there was a correlation, then it would mean that the smarter a person was, the less likely they were to be in debt, or the other way around, the smarter a person was, the more likely they were to be in debt. And I really don't think that there is any correlation, because some smart people I know are in debt, and some smart people I know are totally not in debt. And I don't think that IQ has anything to do with it, unfortunately, because you're getting really smart in this class, but unfortunately some of you will still be in debt. So probably no correlation.